Yo, can't get out. There's like a lock on the gate. Yo, I'm out. Yo, yeah, like a true Indian from a newspaper. Yo, I'm up. Yeah, there's a lot of, we call them laying policemen. Like going here, and you need to watch out. They don't really mark them. So yeah, I'm going to the hilltop. I didn't even say where I'm going. It's some kind of hills to see the sunrise. I'm gonna show you the exact name soon. Yo, so this is pretty much it. Somebody's doing a photo shoot like there. So it's called Bahubali Hills. Yo, yeah, nice. Quick hike, like 10-15 minutes. And the drive was like maybe 25 minutes.
You're from?
Yo, cheers to me, some beetroot juice. Yo, I'm out of fuel. Good, I'm in the city in the hill somewhere, so gonna walk. The station is half kilometer from here. Yeah, I got some fuel. Nice. Yo, so I just had lunch. It's almost 10. I'm heading to the city palace. Yo, so the guy told me it's 1.5 hours need to visit. The price is 400. Yeah, 10 o'clock and the weather like changed dramatically. Like at 5 it was cold even driving. That's so interesting. 10 to 4. Yeah, it looks cool. Don't know much about it, but I'll figure it out. So there's an art museum for the same price, I suppose. Yeah. Whoa. Yo, why does he have like an elephant? That's true. Yo, dude ready for battle. Yo, so the arrows are not that not much. That whole set weighs like 800 grams. The swords are also 2 kilos, but the armor is like 15 kilograms. Yo, that's crazy. Like, look how long it is, like 1.5 meters. Yeah.
So if you see these doors, very narrow.
Paintings, all paintings more than 300, 400 years old. All the different surroundings, all this motif. Can you see all this elephant on the top? The lily flowers. The lotus. You can really see the colors.
Now these days you are using only dryer and there was no electricity for how to dry the hair with the free.
Yeah, so all the narrow corridors is for safety reasons. gonna show you the whole palace. Probably you even not gonna need to come back. Yeah, it's quite cool. Yo, they have a silver battle box. It's like so old, like from early 20th century. Yeah. What is this, like the spit jar? Maybe this is like a spit jar. Yo, that was long, like an hour at least. Yo, so I'm at Chetah Circle. So it's famous for like eggs. There's like Egg World, Egg Point. I had my eggs here at this guy, like he's over there. He's the only guy working in the morning, like early. I'm gonna check out this place. Looks hygiene. Yo, so this is tandoori omelet with a huge pile of bread. Looks good. Yeah, I don't know what is this, potatoes or eggs? Yeah, eggs. It's very good. The problem is they open very late, like only 12. Yeah, that's awesome. Very good.